Welcome to this complete guide on creating professional job descriptions using Claude AI, completely free. Whether you're a human resources professional, a startup founder, or a hiring manager, this video will transform the way you hire. We'll cover what a job description really is, how to structure one properly, why it matters legally and commercially, and most importantly, how to create a world-class JD in minutes using just Claude.ai on your browser. Plus, there is a detailed live demo towards the end of the video. Let's dive in. So what exactly is a job description, or JD? A JD is a formal document that defines the purpose, duties, responsibilities, required qualifications, and expectations for a specific role. Think of it as the contract of intent between an employer and a potential hire. It's three things in one. A formal document that defines scope, a communication tool that sets candidate expectations, and a legal reference that protects both parties during onboarding, appraisals, and even employment disputes. Without a well-written JD, hiring becomes guesswork, and that's expensive. In today's world across social media you will find jobs being posted without a proper JD. Not only is this risky for the company, and we shall discuss in subsequent slides why so, but also unprofessional and speaks poor about the employer brand and seriousness towards job candidates. Every professional job description should have ideally 8 core sections. First, the job title and department. Use industry standard titles that candidates are actually searching for. Second, a company overview, a brief, engaging intro to who you are. Third, a role summary, a 2 to 3 line snapshot of the position. Fourth, key responsibilities, a clear bulleted list of what the person will own. Fifth and sixth, required and preferred qualifications, separate these clearly. Seventh, compensation and benefits, salary range, perks, and leave. And eighth, location and work mode, remote, hybrid, or on-site. Every single section matters. Let me tell you why getting this right is non-negotiable. A well-crafted job description delivers 6 transformative outcomes. Number 1. It attracts the right candidates, not just any candidates. Number 2. It dramatically improves your interview hit ratio because shortlisting becomes objective. Number 3. It saves enormous screening time. Companies with precise JDs report up to 60% reduction in irrelevant applications. Number 4. It manages legal risk. A vague JD can expose you to discrimination claims or wrongful termination disputes. Number 5. It creates transparency. Candidates know what they're signing up for, reducing early attrition. And number 6. It provides the foundation for fair performance reviews down the line. If you're hiring in the United States, your JD must comply with several critical laws. Some examples are being shared here. The Americans with Disabilities Act requires you to clearly list essential functions and use inclusive language. Title VII of the Civil Rights Act prohibits any mention of race, religion, gender, or national origin as requirements. The Age Discrimination in Employment Act means you cannot use phrases like young and dynamic or recent graduates preferred. The FLSA requires you to correctly classify the role as exempt or non-exempt to avoid misclassification suits. And importantly, states like California, New York, and Colorado now mandate salary range disclosure. Non-compliance can cost you significant fines. Examples in Europe, GDPR means your JD cannot request personal data beyond what's necessary. The EU Pay Transparency Directive now mandates salary disclosure in most member states. Germany requires Works Council consultation for roles impacting over 5 staff. France mandates gender-neutral language. The UK Equality Act 2010 requires that all JD criteria be objectively justifiable. Moving to APAC, Singapore's Fair Consideration Framework requires EP-level job postings to be live on My Careers Future for 14 days before applying for an EP. Australia's Fair Work Act requires role classifications to align with modern awards. Japan mandates written working conditions that match your JD promises exactly. For India, there are 6 key compliance areas among many. Examples are the Industrial Employment Standing Orders Act requires permanent roles to have documented job specifications. The Code on Wages 2019 mandates that the JD reflect the wage structure, basic pay, HRA, and allowances. The Equal Remuneration Act prohibits gender preferences and requires pay equity. The Persons with Disabilities Act requires government-notified employers to specify accessibility accommodations in JDs. State-specific shops and establishments acts require alignment with shift timings and OT rules. And the Contract Labor Act means contract-based JDs must not describe permanent role duties, or you risk a misclassification challenge. So how difficult is it to create a JD, now that we know how important it is? Earlier, writing a JD required quite a lot of time, thus many companies and recruiters used to take the shortcut of non-compliance and share job posts without the proper JD, leading to multiple complications and risking the employer. Here is a solution at hand that will make life much simpler and effective while crafting world-class JD. Now let's talk about our secret weapon, Claude AI. Claude is built by Anthropic, one of the world's leading AI safety companies. It's trained on vast professional and legal text, understands industry nuances, and produces structured, human-quality long-form content. The best part? You can access it completely free at Claude.ai, no credit card required. Simply visit Claude.ai in any browser, click Start for free, verify your email, and you're ready to go. The free tier offers generous daily usage that's more than enough to create multiple detailed JDs. Just open a new chat and start typing your prompt. Before we see a sample live demo, here's your step-by-step blueprint for creating a world-class JD with Claude AI. Step 1. Gather your role inputs before you open Claude. Collect the job title, department, reporting structure, key deliverables, required tools and technologies, must-have versus nice-to-have skills, and the compensation range. The more detail you give Claude, the better the output. Step 2. Set the context. Start your prompt with who Claude should be. For example, you are an expert HR consultant helping a tech company create a legally compliant, engaging job description for the US market. Step 3. Use a structured prompt template. Provide all your gathered data in organized sections and specify the format you want. Step 4. Request the first draft, then review it carefully for accuracy, seniority level, and inclusive language. Steps 5 through 8 complete your JD creation process. Step 5 is refinement. Use follow-up prompts like, make the responsibilities more action-oriented, or, add pay transparency language for California compliance. This iterative approach is where Claude really shines. Step 6. Add the legal compliance layer. Ask Claude to review this JD for ADA and Title VII compliance and flag any discriminatory language. Step 7. Tailor for specific job boards. Ask for a 300-word LinkedIn version or a keyword-optimized Indeed version. And Step 8. Run your final QA checklist before publishing. Verify all sections are present, confirm salary transparency where required, check for any biased language, and ensure responsibilities are specific and measurable. Now let's watch a live demo and see how easy it is. Type Claude.ai in your browser. After you have registered with your email ID, you can simply use Login Continue with Gmail if it's a Gmail ID or use your email to log in. Then type your JD prompt in the chat space. You can refer to the JD prompt samples that has been provided in this video and customize it to your needs. Then hit enter and voila, your JD is ready. You can specify how you would want to view the JD, that is in documents format, presentation format and more. In seconds you will have proper JDs available at your fingertips. You can customize these JD further and then they will be ready for use, or simply use as if you are okay with the JD shared by Claude. You can view the JDs on the right-hand box. Or you can click on the download button and view them from the top right-hand corner by clicking on your downloads. Once you click on the file, you will have the respective JD that you can then view or further edit and save as you may want before sharing it onwards. It is really that simple. Let's look at the 6 most common JD mistakes and how Claude AI eliminates them automatically. Mistake 1. Using vague titles like Marketing Ninja. Claude uses industry-standard, search-optimized titles. Mistake 2. Listing 20+ requirements that scare candidates away. Claude intelligently separates must-haves from nice-to-haves. Mistake 3. Biased language like, energetic young team. Claude audits for inclusive language with a simple follow-up prompt. Mistake 4. Hiding the salary range. Claude adds compliant pay transparency language specific to your jurisdiction. Mistake 5. Using copy-paste templates that don't reflect the actual role. Claude customizes every JD based on your specific inputs. And mistake 6. Forgetting to mention growth opportunities. Claude weaves in career progression language that attracts ambitious candidates. Let's see the difference Claude AI makes with a real before and after comparison. Before. A typical bad JD reads, Job title, Marketing Ninja. We're looking for a rockstar marketer. Must be young and dynamic. Salary, competitive. That JD will attract the wrong candidates, potentially expose you to age discrimination claims, and discourage quality applicants because there's no salary transparency. After Claude AI optimizes it, job title, Senior Marketing Manager. We're a Series B SaaS company seeking an experienced marketing leader. Must have 7+ years B2B experience. Compensation, $90,000 to $115,000 plus equity. Remote first, USA preferred. Same role, completely transformed. This is what Claude AI does in under 2 minutes. Here are 10 sample prompts that you can use as is or customize further depending on your needs. The business case for investing time in quality JDs, powered by Claude AI, is undeniable. Companies with precise, well-crafted JDs receive 3 times more qualified applicants compared to vague postings. Recruiters report a 60% reduction in screening time because irrelevant applications simply stop coming in. Early attrition drops by 40% when candidates fully understand the role before accepting. And the cost of using Claude AI? Completely free. Claude AI gives you a tool that was previously only accessible through expensive recruitment consultants or human resources software, now available to any business, any size, anywhere in the world. Today. And that's a wrap on your complete guide to creating professional job descriptions with Claude AI for free. Here's exactly what to do right now. Visit Claude.ai and sign up. It takes under 2 minutes. Then head to prompt examples of this presentation and grab one of the 10 power prompts. Paste it into Claude, add your role details, and watch a professional JD appear in seconds. Run a compliance check with a follow-up prompt, tailor it for your target job board, and publish. You're done. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up. It helps more hiring managers and human resources professionals find this resource. Subscribe for more free AI tools for career and business growth. Drop a comment with the role you're hiring for and I'll suggest the best prompt for you. See you in the next one. Thank you for watching this video. Do share and subscribe to this channel for more interesting and helpful content that enables and empowers you and your teams for success. Stay tuned for more. Like and share the word if you can, as that will help us at Talent Sparks reach more and impact more. For queries, reach us on the email shared on this channel.